How to create a newsletter sign up form using Mailchimp. Hey everyone and welcome. I hope you're all doing great. In this video, I'll show you that step by step. It's one of the basic things that we can actually do with Mailchimp. It is very straightforward and simple to do, yet it's very powerful because using this, we can actually go ahead and allow people to sign up to our newsletter and much more. So let's just go ahead and show you how to do so. So the first step is obviously logging in into your Mailchimp account. And then you should be in this dashboard over here, and you want to navigate to the audience section here. So I'm just going to go to the audience section, and then you will find sign up forms. So yes, they do have a dedicated option for it. So just go ahead and click on sign up forms, and then from here we want to create a new one. Obviously, if you did create ones previously, they're all going to show up in here. But I'm just going to go ahead and create a new one. So you would want to click on the top right button, which is create new form. Click on that, and then it's just going to give us three different options to choose from, whether it's going to be an embedded form, which you can just go ahead and create a form you can just go ahead and embed it to any site, or you can just go ahead and create a pop-up form, or even create a landing page with the form. Now I'm just going to be using the embedded form one, but if you think any of these two are more suitable for you, you can feel free to use them as well. So I'm just going to click on this top one, and then I'm just going to go ahead and give it a name. I'm just going to name it example form, and then you would want to also select the audience. So just go ahead and select the audience. If you only have one, just go ahead and leave it there and click on begin. And now we will start editing our form basically. In here, the first thing that we have is just an email address. And a lot of people just want to actually just leave it as an email address, and that's it. But you can also add more fields. To do so, you just go to the left panel here where you will find form fields. And you can just go ahead and allow first name, for example, and you can actually see now that we have first name. And you can also drag it up or down depending on how you want it to be. And if you want to, you can always just click on it and you can make it set as required, which makes it required to actually fill in the form. So I will actually leave it like that. And you can also add more stuff like last name, address, phone number, birthday. And this is a custom form that I have just created previously. So yeah, you can actually go ahead and create custom forms as well. And once you're happy with the form that we have just created, you can also do more stuff here. But you can always just go ahead and click on continue, and then from here you will have the embed code, so you can just feel free to copy the code and embed it to whichever site that you actually need. And with this, we have created a sign up form for our newsletters using Mailchimp. So hopefully you found this video to be helpful, and thanks for watching.